Hi guys, Charity Lifestyle here. So if your machine still have the motor at the back, this video is for you. So this other half part of the video is for people that want to change their machine to industrial weaving. I don't have a clear video of this machine when the motor was at the back of the machine. This is the only video I have. So let me just show you. I wasn't even doing like a video tutorial here. I was just doing a random video. So let me show you guys how to do it. People have been asking me how do they remove the motor to be able to access stuff that you need to work on so that you can activate your industrial weaving machine. So while doing this, be careful of the wire that's connected to the motor. Please don't drag it so much so it doesn't come out of the motor. See, if you look at the motor very well, there's a knot where the motor is attached to the machine. Look at it little, just look at it a little bit. You will see that knot, this knot here. Losing the knot is two. You're losing the up and losing down, and then you remove the machine little by little. Make sure none of the knots misplaced or the washer misplaced. Just lose it gently. Okay, lose the up knot, lose the down knot. Then you just remove it. Make sure, or you can also make a video of it, how it was before you start losing it, so you can know how to put it back after you're done setting your machine. So you can just have a mental picture of it. Please, you don't even have any business with the knot at the back of the motor. The only knot you have a business with is the knot at the front, the one that is used to hold the machine, to connect the motor to the machine. Okay, please, you don't even have a business with the knot at the back. At the back, that's after the first knot that is used to hold the motor to the machine. So just that first knot, you're losing the up one, losing the down one, and that is it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.